The next unit that we are going to be studying is the organization in ecosystems. An organism is any living thing only able to breed with an organism of the same species. It's the smallest level of organization in ecosystems, such as a plant, an animal, bacteria. A population is a group of organisms in a given species in a particular area. Some species, same species, but can have different genetic makeup for certain traits. Examples: hair color or eye color. All humans in New York City would be considered a population. All lions in the grassland, or all pine trees in the forest. A community. A community is all the populations in a specific area at a given time. It includes populations of organisms from different species. It includes populations of zebras, elephants, giraffes in the grassland. Please note that these are just some of the examples of populations in an area that make up a community. So an ecosystem is all of the living things and non-living factors in an area and interacting together. This is biotic and abiotic factors. Can be a large or a small area, such as the pond ecosystem. We will learn about lots of different types of ecosystems and biomes as well. A biome is a set of ecosystems that share similar characteristics. Climate, plants, and animal life is similar in specific biomes. Organisms have specific adaptations for the biome in which they live, such as tundra. Some of you might, like a polar bear, has a very thick coat. Then you have the rainforest or the desert. And again, we will get into more depth on all of these. We have the biosphere. It's the sum of all the ecosystems on Earth. It's the largest and broadest level of the ecological organizations. Includes all biomes, human, plants, animals, living and non-living factors. Earth. Organization in ecosystems. So as you can see, this most specific would be organism, population, then community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. So now we have a checkpoint. So there are going to be 5 questions. You're going to write a complete answer to each question on the paper that was provided. I will go over these questions and read through them right now, and then you will have time to complete them. Question number 1. Would all of the reptiles in an area be considered a population? Explain. Question 2 is, how do populations and communities affect one another? Question 3, would a community with more or less biodiversity thrive? Explain why or why not. Question 4, list an example of an organism, population, and community for the marine ecosystem. And how does a habitat differ from an ecosystem? Again, you are going to answer these on the paper provided at the end of your notes section. If you have any questions, please reach out.